Welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build a progress tracker in Excel. So we're going to be building on the task tracker from the previous video in this series with task description, assigned to, due date, status, and this time around, we have an additional column called percentage complete. So we'll use task statuses like not started, in progress, in review, and completed. Then automatically calculate percentage progress and create progress bars. This way you can see at a glance how far along your project really is. This time, we'll take our status column and turn it into a smart progress tracker, complete with automatic percentages, progress bars, and color-coded highlights. So we set up the drop-down box in the last video. If you'd like to see how I created this drop-down, please check the video, How to Create Drop-Down List with Data Validation. Today, we're going to focus on what we can do with that information. In the percentage complete column, we'll assign percentages to each status. So we're going to go right ahead and enter this formula in F2. This formula looks at the status in column E and assigns a percentage. Now we're going to copy it down, and now you can see your task progress from 0 all the way to 100. So let's test this some more. So if we change this to in review, you see it automatically changes to 75%. Let's test another one. And there you have it. We know that numbers are helpful, but visuals are even better. So let's turn these percentages into progress bars. So to do this, we're first going to select percentage complete column, and then we go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, choose a fill style. So I'll go with this one. And now you have a really simple visual tracker that updates as you change the task status. So let's go right ahead and test this. So I'm going to change this status from in review to completed. And you see how that automatically updates. So this really gives you a clear at a glance view of how each task is going. To see how the project is doing overall, let's calculate the average progress. So at the bottom of the percentage complete column, let's enter this formula. So this calculates the average completion. For example, right now, the project is 75% complete. As a bonus, let's make the status column itself more visual by adding some colors. So I'll just go ahead and change some statuses just so that we have like more representative results. So the first thing we'll do is we select the status column, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, format only cells that contain, And then we're going to take specific text containing, and then we're just going to input all our statuses one by one. So starting with not started. And then we're going to choose a color for this status. I will go with gray. As you can see, this status has a gray background and it's more visual. So we're going to do the same for all the other statuses. So now our status column is color coded. So it's even much more easier to scan. So this way, you don't even need to look at the percentages, right? The colors just tell the story. You now have a smart Excel progress tracker that uses statuses, automatic percentages, progress bars, and color-coded highlights. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.